Okay guys, today I'm going to show you how to calculate descriptive statistics using Excel, using data analysis tool. So I have my data, my sample data for rainfall. So I have year and January month. So this is sample rainfall data. So there are two procedures you need to follow, which are you need first to add data analysis tool from Excel add-ins. Then the second is to run the data analysis tool for descriptive statistics. So that means I'll just minimize it. Then now going back to my Excel, in data tab here, you need to have a data analysis tool here. So I don't have it, so I'll show you how to add it. So you need to go back to your file, options, at the bottom. Then from there, you need to go to add-ins on my left. Then scroll here, manage, then Excel add-ins, make sure it is Excel add-ins selected, then go. So you see, add-ins available. So the different add-ins which are available, I need to check this analysis tool pack. Then click OK. So upon clicking OK, it will appear. See, it's real time, it has appeared. So that means I'm ready to go to do my data analysis, which is descriptive statistics. So I'll click data analysis tool. Okay, just wait for it. It's loading because it has been just added. Then upon waiting for it, yes, there you are. So as I showed you, I'm going for descriptive statistics, but it has a lot of options. Can go for ANOVA, correlation, covariance, histogram, Fourier analysis, all those options. But for me, it's descriptive statistics for this video. Then I'll click OK. So it will show me the input range. This is where your data, which you're supposed to calculate. So for my case, I'll select. Then I'll just go from year January. I'll select all my data. Then go back here. Then labels, I mean it in first row there is labels, that means there's year and January. That means I'll select this. Then it will ask me output options. Should it go to the new worksheet or new workbook? I'll prefer to be at the new worksheet here at the bottom. So I'll leave it by default that way. Then it will ask you for options, at least one. So I'll go for the summary statistics. So after everything is done here, then you just click OK. Yeah, bingo. You see in the sheet here. So I'll just try to maximize this. I have for year, the mean is 1986 point, the standard deviation, the sum. Then for January, the mean is this one, and the count there 39. That means the mode and the median. So you can always go and cross check. For instance, if I got the bottom, and maybe let us do a trial case, like for instance, calculating the sum here. Okay, make sure it is there, then enter 1090.2. So let us go there. The sum is 1090.2. So this is the way of doing the descriptive statistics, actually the summary statistics, using Excel in data analysis Excel add-ins. So thank you a lot. Hope you have enjoyed the video. Make sure you subscribe and share the video with your colleagues. Thank you a lot.